Hello guys, welcome back to the video. I'm recording this video to show off a little bit of living an organic life in the village. So, the season is die tau get is record solo ni tau yang all in video na record super video enjoy super. My week ta la ko tau ta ne awe ta to me otore. Jodon papa ba na. Taka bo pi ga beti ne. Papa ba ni jodon aba. Moi ko situ to show jire. Beach rotor aja the season hi hotare small beach into na oh jungle beach oi na climate change when ya desa woni na ja dawe shira ha kini rapta ta wete de dawe gi keta mare dogo tipopo situ zache je bata ma dawa muim dani ha kini ta bara wete de na try so ju kala esa nanti dia rap dana tastes good oh kilo yo kilo burana hi the corn aya 하나가 어쩌면 이때 코비디 되자 니 코비비게 니 뿌니 어째 하볼랑 걸라 거짜 뿌이비반 짜자 하나 알로니 뭐또来 호보고 볼래 pigeon. I will serve it to the pigeons and the ducks. Pigeon hai hole ma kiro zapang pe oni kiro tolor diko vira viviche vive der pito pumpkin the pumpkin papa bahindira pudahan na ya tolwita pusuma do donene next video ini oh lugoda luhi komo do reira luhi kolone luro pa se luro pa ju ka ke boni ko ju mai tar bo to ta ta tele su ta la next video ini ta chu ha di no la ju shirakita bien koko la 100% organic okay oh beer shirale bidena beer hunche ma I want bigger one. It's good. A tree tomato. Little bit sour, little bit bitter. Wow. See, the ducks are here. The ducklings. We'll keep the corn here for now, and we'll come back and serve them later. I still want to show you more stuffs here. A small pond for the ducks to swim. Chứ hai lũ chứ đáy ngóng nó sao là khai thì chưa họ ta đây hai ta đây nè river too. This is the fruit I wanted to show. We call this as river too. This is called river. Sabib ni river chỉ ra ya. Happen river too. Ipo mai lá ta cứ kiểu vậy nên ta lá đá đi nè. See. Oh. Just break it open like this and it looks like this in the inside. Little bit sour, little bit sweet, and the smell is too lovely. I can eat this all day. There could be so many health benefits from this fruit, but I don't know. So if you know, comment it down. Let me also know. Let me also learn. This fruit is not only good in taste, but it can also add flavor to your tea. Dry this cover, and when you make tea, you just add it to your tea, and it will give you a good flavor to it, good aroma to your tea. Anyway, let's move on. Oh, I almost forgot. We even used to make rice cake with this one, with the leaf of this thing. I guess you guys know. You guys know better than me. Still very green, not yet ready to eat. Avocado tree. That's an avocado tree, but it's bearing no fruit. But what's bearing the fruit is that blackberry tree over there. I'm gonna climb up there and pluck the fruit and eat it. Let's climb up. I should be extra careful. Yeah. Yeah. I'm already up. Already up to where we needed to be. Not fully ripe. Kaju. Let's climb a little higher. All right. Oh, wait. That's scary. I broke a branch. Wow. Wow. sweet sour. Tapa via some milo. Dai back alive, lesson. Blackberry, straight from the tree, 100% organic. Wow, what a life. Lipstick. Bonus is the view we get from here. Aerial view of the village. I saw a funny video in Instagram. Wait. Vào tao khai go lại cho hút to là lại nhé vào tao đây. Wait, hang in there, it's almost done. Kilo vô cái gì mới bị lại sợ. Đó kilo hay việc tao mới tông mày đi nè. Ready to eat. Chân nào tao đấy. Sweet, crunchy, and very delicious. This is my souvenir from the blackberry tree. Yay! And this is my Mimi. Mimi too. Kuzla. Kuzla. Champion. What to say? let's wrap up, guys. That's 100% organic video for you. If you kinda like it, please consider subscribing and give a like to the video. And see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.